probably wondering what we're doing. So what we do is we restore. Here, we've stripped these architraves back, and they're going to be stained. They were painted before. I'll come over here and I'll show you what Nancy's doing. Look. Hey, Nance.
Hello.
There she is. Look what Nancy's doing. There you go. She's stripping the paint off. See that? We're taking them back to wood. And I'm working just around here. On the doors. What they've done is they've been stripped with paint, and I'm sanding them back and bringing them into to a level where we can stain them up. So now you've seen us at work. This staircase. You see that staircase? We renovated it. We've been here 15 years and we only just got a chance to renovate that staircase. Come, that's the staircase that takes you up to where we're staying. Nance, where are you? There you go. Follow me through. Check it out. I'm sure I'm putting some photos up so you can see what it used to look like before and what condition it was in. It's pretty well damaged because the bad tradesmen didn't help. Right, now I've actually named it because we put 10 days work restoring it and rendering it. Right, Nance?
Yep.
Okay.
10 hard days.
10 hard days. But then we'd shoot off to the beach after that, which makes up for the pain and the suffering, doesn't it? We've always managed to mix work and pleasure together, trust me. Right, and I've named it The Stairway to Heaven. Huh? I've got to put a little plaque or something. The Stairway to Heaven. Come up, Nance.
Yep.
We're going to take you guys through our house. "31 columns. 31 columns. And you know what's horrible? I wasn't getting paid to do this. Usually we get paid to do this.
It was a pleasure.
And there's more work that has to be done. Right. Here's our front door. What do you think of that? But first, before we go to the front door, I'm going to show you up here how everything looks. Let's knock on the door. Check this. Hi, Nance.
Welcome.
Can I come in? Let me take you through. Right. The entranceway. Please. Whoa, didn't like that. Now, this is our study. Just here. And on this wall here, well, there's our military wall. This is our service. The photos that you see there are photos of me and my sons that have done their military service. So, and we, shotgun, air rifles, air pistols, right? And here is our little studio. There you go. Up on the wall back here are all our certificates and awards through the years. And just over there is our lounge area. Come down this way. I'm not going to show you down the passageway with bedrooms and bathroom is and all that. Don't need to see that. This is our lounge area. as you can see, everything's all in the same space. Our dining area is just over there. There you go. And there's the kitchen. You see the fans? What I've managed to do in here is to use one air conditioner to air condition the whole house. And I'll tell you how that works. What's the number on that air conditioner?
BTU is 9,000.
It's a 9,000 BTU, and it's operating in a house of, what is it, 150? 120 meters, right? And what it does, these fans, the air conditioner is pointed straight down the passageway, right? So the opposite of the air conditioner is the passageway. So it's pushing everything down that way. Using these fans, and in the bedroom, we keep the whole house air conditioned, and it's really on low, seriously on low. We keep the whole house in air condition. This is our fridge with the fridge magnets. Over here, you'll see some of our wedding photos there. The view through the window is quite cool. All the sun's coming out again. It is October, so we're getting a few clouds. And there, Nancy's kitchen. Nancy's kitchen, there you go. Isn't that a sight? Come over here, I'll show you something. Right? There. Yeah. Okay. Here's my bomb. Here's my smoke. And here's my cannabis, which I bought at a kiosk just in the city. Legal cannabis. Okay? It's Greece. I'm giving you another angle. There's the gate. And here's the ultimate man cave. I'll give you the tour. We'll go through it, okay? Come with me. Whoa. Huh? Now, it's been split up in 3 parts. Yeah, this is our meeting point. It's been split up in 3 parts. Turn some lights on. Dark in here. There you go. The first section is a work area, as you see. And Nancy's waiting over there somewhere. There she is, just in the distance. Let me take you through this way. Now, check this out. And to tell you the truth, my boys set this up for me because I didn't have the time. I was too busy running around Europe with their mother. Look what they put together for me. They got all my tools organized. I love tools. Everything. Electrical department, plumbing is up there. Screwdrivers, anything you want. Under power tools are all under there. Welder, blah, blah, blah. Vacuum cleaners. And now let's go right to the next section. This is what you can do with a 12-meter container. Look at that. The boys keep their motorbikes here, so when they come for their holidays, they register them again, pay their taxes, and then they can drive them around for the next 3 weeks. I've opened some really big windows. This is the paint department here. Paint, renders, anything. I've opened these large windows, you see that? And it allows the whole thing to breathe. Look at that distance we have. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, I'm going to swap you over. There you go. That's how organised we are so far. And you can see ladders are on the wall. Wow. And there's our old, check this out. That's the company I had in Britain. We used to put those on the buildings that we were working on. Okay, let me take you through again. That I built a few years back. Ooh, it's been 10 years since I built that sink. Look how much more property we got back here. See it? And what is that? What is that? That's my caravan. I have a caravan. No, I don't. We have a caravan. Yes, we have a caravan, but we've never put it on the road. We used it once to move our furniture from Britain to Greece, and we stayed here for a year and a half till my father passed away. And while I was waiting, I sat there and I renovated it for 5 months to keep myself busy. I'm sure I'm going to put some photos on so you can see them. Now, what we